When you see Intel's 218-acre site in New Mexico, it's hard to imagine that 40 years ago that land was a sod farm.
Intel is now the largest industrial employer in the state, with more than 1,800 employees at its campus in Sandoval County, nestled between Rio Rancho and Albuquerque.
Come along with me. I'm going to show you 3 cool things about Intel New Mexico. Cool thing number 1, Intel New Mexico's rich history.
2020 marks Intel New Mexico's 40th anniversary. In March 1980, Intel purchased 80 acres on State Highway 528 in Rio Rancho for its 7th factory. Fab 7 was the first at Intel to start manufacturing on 6-inch wafers. The site would eventually host Fabs 9, 11, and 11X, which at the time was the world's biggest chip factory. In 2002, it was also Intel's first to ship 1 billion chips.
In 2006, New Mexico was Intel's first site to host a sitting U.S. president.
That was when George W. Bush and First Lady Laura Bush joined Chairman Craig Barrett for a roundtable on U.S. competitiveness. Over the last 40 years, Intel has invested more than $16 billion in New Mexico. Intel spends $200 million each year with local suppliers. And since 2014, New Mexico employees have donated over $10 million and almost 183,000 volunteer hours to local schools and nonprofits.
Cool thing number 2, the factory's diverse portfolio of products and technologies.
In its 40 years, Intel New Mexico has seen everything from 5 to 12-inch wafers and manufactured chips for cell phones, PCs, and data centers. Fab 11X was Intel's first 300mm factory. In addition to manufacturing microprocessors, the Rio Rancho site develops and manufactures EMIB, our advanced packaging capability known as Embedded Multi-Die Interconnect Bridge technology. New Mexico also develops and manufactures Intel Silicon Photonics, high-speed optical connectivity that moves data with light. Intel Optane technology, our super-fast computer memory that improves boot times and system performance, also comes out of New Mexico.
Cool thing number 3, Intel New Mexico's balloons. Not that balloon, this balloon.
The annual Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta is the world's largest balloon festival. The 9-day affair, once proclaimed the world's most photographed event, draws more than 500 hot air balloons. Since 1995, Intel has sponsored the event and flown its own balloon. New Mexico employees make up the balloon's chase crew.
Intel New Mexico is a critical piece of our global factory network. Here's to at least 40 more years. Thanks for watching. I'm Rob Kelty.